Make a great choice today with the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.